Wow. Tahalia is wearing slipper. How cute naman. Uy, you are Dr. Tahalia? Wow, okay. Oh. Dr. Tahalia.
Papa.
Oh, gimme. Here, Tahalia, come here.
Mama.
The moon. Oh, say hello to the moon. Hello, moon. What? Oh, wait. Wait, I'll fix. No, don't throw your shoes. Okay. Go to see the moon. Where's the moon? Talia. What's that? Oh, where's the moon? Where? I'll see. You call the moon. What are you doing? Tahalia is doing some business. You know what she's doing? Tahalia, what are you doing? Poo. Finish? Not yet? Okay, she's done.